For us, it's about kids playing football in a safe environment. So we had 40 children unattached to a football club, and James Watts-Rees, who was my boss at the time, was a committee member at Tom Pentra, and he asked me, why don't we set up a sports team at Tom Pentra? Yeah, straight away we were on the phone to people like Alicia, people like Cicely from the FAW, and how we do it, how can we get funded, how can we get sponsorship, and it was pretty much as simple as that. The week after we were running a session for Tom Pentra, under 5, under 6, under 7, and what you see here today is down to that.
Mae'r mab yn 7 mlwydd oed a dyma tro cyntaf fi chwarae pêl-droed mewn ffordd ffurfiol, bod rhan o tîm, gwisgo crys o phobeth, a mae'n bod yn cyfle arbennig i fe cymryd rhan ynddo fe. Mae wastad wedi mwynhau chwarae'r gêm lawr y parc gyda fi, ond mae'n cyfle wych i fe chwarae gyda plant yr un oedran a i cymdeithasu gyda nhw.
We wanted to see players of all ages, all abilities, playing the game that we love. We now have 15 players, started from nothing. We're about to play our first friendly against Trevelyan on Sunday, which will be a great advocate for us to go over there in their new facility that they just had from the FAW. And we're going to enter the league, the under 50s league, which will be in Caldecott at the end of the month. So again, under 50s, playing sport, enjoying, having fun, the social aspect of it is massive, it's huge for us.
I like coming to Woking football. My sons and wife come along, so it's good to spend time together, meet different people and get some exercise. I don't get much during the week, so yeah, tonight and on a Sunday usually we come along, have some fun for an hour, have some good exercise and a good laugh together.